Good day, everyone. This is Mr. J, and I'm here to help you out with your math needs. So let's continue with number 3, shall we? Which states, a shipping container is 80 feet long and 2.5 feet wide. The amount of space inside is approximately 2,000 cubic feet. How many feet high is the box? I've drawn a diagram to the left, which is not drawn to scale, and it identifies the dimensions that's stated in the word problem. So now what I've written to the right of it, which says V equals capital B times H, V represents the volume. The B, capital B, not lowercase b, capital B, represents the area. And in this case would be a rectangle. And H represents the height. Okay, that being said, let's go to step B. Step B, we have to solve for the area of a rectangle, which is length times width. According to the word problem, the length is 80 feet. The width is 2.5 feet. Multiply the two. 80 times 2.5, or 2.5, is 200. And feet times feet is feet to the second power, or squared feet. So your answer for the area of a rectangle is 200 square feet. Would this be your final answer? No, it is not. Because the question asks, how many feet high is the box? In order to solve that, we have to revisit what we wrote in part A, which is V equals capital B times H. V is the volume. The volume is, according to the word problem, the amount of space inside, which is approximately 2,000 cubic. Cubic means to the third power. If it was squared feet, would be feet to the second power, but because it says 2,000 cubic feet rather, is 2,000 feet to the third power, equals our capital B, which is the area, in this case the area of the rectangle, is 200 feet squared times the height. Obviously, the question asks you for the height. How do we have the solve for H? We have to divide both sides by 200 square feet, or 200 feet to the second power. Obviously, these two cancel each other. Feet to the third power, or cubic feet, divided by feet to the second power, or square feet, gives me foot to the first power, which you typically don't write number 1 because it's always recognized to be there. So 2,000 divided by 200 gives me 10 feet. So the answer to your question, how many feet high is the box? Your answer is 10 feet. This is your final answer. Thank you very much for your time.